see a pair of reticulated giraffes. They get their name from the Latin word reticulata, which means net-like, and that refers to the net-like pattern on their coats. At birth, those giraffes can be up to 6 feet tall, and fully grown they can grow to be 18 or even 20 feet tall.
What is your location? Over.
Near Monkey Point on our way to Elephant Country.
Keep your eyes open for me. The picture of a baby elephant that was wandering off on its own. Without running the murder. I'm afraid forces may be in the resort.
Roger that, Wilson. We'll keep our eyes open for anything suspicious. Look over here on the left, you can see a mandrill monkey moving around over there.
Look at that monkey.
Oh, there are a couple of
What are
them.
they doing?
Mandrills are the largest monkey in Africa. They can weigh up
Right
to
there.
100
See 'em on the
pounds, so
right?
it's the
Oh.
dominant males who are typically the largest.
They're making more monkeys.